Meaning of hacienda.
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 Hacienda. The term hacienda originated in Spain and refers to a large estate or plantation, typically used for farming or ranching. During the colonial period, the term was used to describe similar estates in Latin America, particularly those owned by the Spanish crown or wealthy landowners. These haciendas often utilized indigenous labor and were central to the colonial economy. Today, hacienda is still used to describe large rural estates in Spanish-speaking countries, and the term has also been adopted in other languages to describe similar properties. In summary, hacienda refers to a large agricultural estate with historical and cultural significance.